How to make a water drop animation like this using the CapCut app. First, import your video or photo into the CapCut editing project. Determine where the water drop animation will run, then open the Overlay menu, tap Add Overlay, then import the water drop video footage that you can get in the description. Next, enlarge the size of the video footage until it covers the video below it. Then open the Splice menu and select the filter effect. Still in the footage clip, open the speed menu, tap the normal option, then reduce the speed to 0.5 slower. Next, we will add a video effect. Right on the footage clip position, open the Effects menu, tap Video Effects, then open the Distortion category, and select the effect named Ripples. Set the length of the effect to match the duration of the video footage. Tap Adjust, then set the speed to 0 and the twist to 20 to 30. Still on the effects clip, apply the object to all videos. The last step is to add sound effects. Still in the same position, open the Audio menu, select Sound FX, just find Water Drop, then select and add this one sound effect. Done. And here are the results.